This is problem number 3 on the practice problems for quest number 5. Perform the indicated operation and reduce to lowest terms if possible. A, 2 over x times 1 over 3x. Multiplication of fractions is straightforward. Cancel anything you can from any numerator with any denominator. Okay, there's nothing that can cancel here, so we just multiply straight across. 2 over 3x squared. Part B, 2 over x divided by 1 over 3x. Well, division is almost as nice as multiplication. First thing to do is translate it into multiplication. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and change the second fraction. Flip it over. Keep, change, flip. That's how we do division with fractions. And now it's multiplication, which we just did up above. So you can multiply straight across and get 6x over x. That's fine. But I always encourage folks, when they see multiplying the fractions, to cancel anything they can in the bottom with anything in the top. So x and x cancel, and we're just left with 6 over 1, which is 6. Part C, 2 over x plus 1 over 3x. Okay, addition and subtraction, as we'll see in D, not as nice as the multiplication and division we just saw up above. To do addition or subtraction, we need the lowest common denominator. I guess we don't need the lowest one, we need a common denominator, but generally you want the lowest one. So there's a process we followed in class. I'll go through more of the detailed process with the Venn diagrams in question number 4, the very next question here. But for right now, I think these denominators are not so bad. We just look at them and say, okay, the denominators are x and 3x. What's the LCD? Well, it's 3x. So I'm going to take my two fractions, copy them here, and convert them into new fractions, equivalent fractions, with the right denominator. So this denominator of 3x, what is it missing? It's not missing anything. It's already good. It's got 3x already. The other denominator, what is it missing? Well, it's missing a 3. I'd really like a 3 right down there. So you can't go around just randomly putting 3's anywhere. You have to multiply by the right thing. The right thing is 3 over 3. Okay, now we're going to multiply those two fractions here. And I know I said always cancel when you have multiplication, but if you cancel, you're right back where you started. You put that 3 and 3 there so that it would be there, and you could write it as a new fraction with the right denominator. So I think we're good here. And now that they have the same denominator, you just combine numerators. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 3x is our answer. Part D, 2 over x minus 1 over 3x. Same idea. We're just going to jump to the equivalent fractions here. In fact, it's the same equivalent fractions we had before, but we'll do it in a little bit of detail. So I had a 2 and x, and what's missing? Still trying to get the LCD, which is still 3x. So you put a 3 over 3 there. Second fraction was already the right denominator, so it's unaffected. So of course, we get the same fractions we got before. You can see the 6 over 3x here is the same as the 6 over 3x there. And then 1 over 3x never moved in either problem. And we just subtract upstairs because they have the same denominator. 5 over 3x. Reduce if you can, but you can't. So we're done.